So we want to block all the unwanted sites from our mobile phone or computer device, but it is not possible to list all the sites all the websites which we want to block manually. So there are some service available online by using which we can block all the websites which we do not want to come in any Google search or any way in our devices. One of the way is using this clean browsing service, which is provided by cleanbrowsing.org. This website or this service provides a list of some potential harmful website contents which they block automatically. If we use their paid or free service, then we will able to block the websites which we do not want from our mobile phone or computer devices. And some of the most important free services are they provide freely filters. One is family filter, another is adult filter, and the other one is security filter. If we apply those filter in our devices, we will able to block all the websites or web content which they they keep in their database, and they update database most frequently. For example, they update their security filters hourly, and this is one of the best updated list in industry.
So to set that in a mobile phone, you have to copy the DNS host name. For example, if I want to apply the security filter, then I have to copy the host name, which is security filter DNS cleanbrowsing.org. Then you have to go to the settings of your mobile phone, and there you have to search private DNS. Here is the private DNS, and then you need to go to the private DNS, and by default it is set as a automatic. But if you want to put the private DNS host name what you have copied earlier, then you have to paste it here. If you paste it and if you save it, then the private DNS will be applied in the phone.